Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize the look of your GoHighLevel account using a totally free CSS extension. If you've ever wanted to make your dashboard look unique and tailored to your style, this is going to be a game changer for you. We'll be transforming the standard GoHighLevel interface to make it look really unique and customized to your needs. Trust me, it's going to be awesome. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. So normally, if you go through the GoHighLevel website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, just as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features, and it's really easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. All right, so let's jump right in. The first thing that you need to do is head over to the Google Chrome Web Store and search for the Visual CSS Editor extension. Once you find it, click on it and add it to Chrome. Now, I've already got it installed on my computer, but adding it should take less than 20 seconds. After that, you'll notice it up here in your extensions bar. It's really straightforward, and even if you're not super tech savvy, the process is quick and easy. Now, let's dive into GoHighLevel. So once you have your account open, click on the extension and it will automatically load on your GoHighLevel page. What's cool about this extension is that it highlights all of the different regions on your dashboard that you can modify. It makes it super easy to identify which sections can be customized to fit your style, and trust me, this level of customization is exactly what you need to make your account stand out. Now, once you have installed the extension, let's try it out to see how to customize your account. So let's start with the top banner. Click on the top section and it will show you all the available customization options. If you want to change the background color, it's really simple. Just click on the top bar and on the right side, you'll see the available customization options. Go ahead and click on the background, and now let's just choose the red color just to see the effect, and look at that. You can see the changes happen live. Now, this live preview is one of my favorite features because it lets you experiment without any pressure. If red's not your thing, then you could also choose a gradient that fades from dark to light. Now, I love the flexibility here. For example, I'll go with a color gradient for that sleek professional look. You can drag it around, adjust the fade, and get it just right until you're satisfied with the look. Another great thing about customizing the top banner is that it really sets the tone for the whole workspace. It's the first thing that you and your clients see when logging in. So making it look polished and personalized can make a big difference in the overall user experience. Next, let's move to the side menu where all of your navigation links are. You can select the entire section and apply the same gradient that we used earlier to create a consistent theme across your account. Now, this kind of consistency makes everything look much more professional. And if you ever need to hide the editing tools while you're making changes, just hit the H key on your keyboard to see a clean preview of what you're working on. Now, this makes it easier to visualize the final product without all the clutter of the editing tools. It's these little features that really make the extension user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding expert to make your GoHighLevel account look like it's been professionally customized. Just a few clicks and you're able to create something that looks truly unique. If the default gray-blue color of certain sections doesn't vibe with your new theme, you can easily change that too. Just click on the section, change its background color to something lighter like a light gray, and you're good to go. Consistency is key. So once I've picked a color that I like, I'll copy the color code and apply it to all relevant areas for a cohesive look. It's amazing how these small adjustments can make everything feel more integrated and visually appealing. I also noticed that some menu items didn't quite pop. No worries, you can select individual items and change the text color to make them stand out more. For instance, switching to a darker text color to create better contrast against the light background. Now, this makes navigating through your dashboard easier and improves overall usability. It's all about creating an environment that is easy to use and nice to look at. The Visual CSS Editor also allows you to select virtually any element on the page, even down to specific icons. So let's say that you don't like the Google My Business icon. You can change it. You can select it, click on the menu, and upload a new icon. You can even replace it with something that's more branded to your agency or more appealing to your users. Now, this kind of branding can go a long way in creating a more personalized experience for both you and your clients. And it's not just about the icons. You can change the text associated with them too. If there's something that doesn't quite fit your brand's voice, feel free to modify it. I mean, this helps ensure that every aspect of your GoHighLevel interface reflects your company's style and messaging. Once you've customized everything to your liking, you'll need to make sure that those changes apply across your entire GoHighLevel account, including sub-accounts. Now, this is where exporting the CSS comes in. Click on Export to generate the CSS code. Just make sure not to copy the container fluid at the top. Copy everything from below that point, and now we're ready to paste this into GoHighLevel. Now, this might seem a bit technical, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. Switch over to your agency view in GoHighLevel, then navigate to the settings, and under Company, you'll find a box for Custom CSS. Simply paste the code that you copied here and hit the update and refresh the page. Now your changes should now be applied across the platform. The beauty of this is that you can now offer a totally unique experience, not only for yourself, but also for your clients and team members. Another really cool thing that you can do with this extension is customize your forms even further. So let's say that you're working on a form for a free course. By default, it's pretty basic, but with the CSS editor, you can make it look much more appealing. You could give it a gradient background, maybe a blue that fades in nicely, or even add an image for a more personal touch. The ability to add stock images directly in the plugin is a nice bonus. I mean, you can use anything from nature shots to something a bit more playful depending on the tone of what you want to set. The customization can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to capture leads. A more appealing form will result in better user engagement, and who doesn't want that? Imagine your form having a stunning gradient or an image that speaks to your audience. That's the kind of detail that can make someone go from just browsing to actually signing up. The process for adding custom styles to forms is similar to what we did earlier. So once you're happy with how it looks, export the CSS, copy the code, and add it to your custom CSS in the company settings. Now, don't delete your previous code, just add the new snippet below it. Hit the update and refresh the page. When you revisit your form, you'll see those permanent changes reflected. This feature is great for anyone looking to add that extra layer of polish to their landing pages and forms. Now, you can even change the fonts on various parts of your GoHighLevel interface. So let's say that you want your navigation bar text to stand out just a little bit more. Select the element, go to text, and switch to a different font. It's as simple as that. And it can really help differentiate your GoHighLevel instance from others. Fonts are an underrated aspect of design that can greatly affect how professional your dashboard looks. So think about it. When your clients log in, they're going to notice the level of detail that's gone into customizing the platform. Choosing the right fonts and colors can make everything feel cohesive and professional, which is exactly the kind of impression that you want to leave. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're excited to try out these customizations on your own GoHighLevel account. Remember, if you want to take your customization game even further, check out the special offer in the description below. By signing up for GoHighLevel using my affiliate link, you get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, I'm going to give you access to my full GoHighLevel Jumpstart course completely free, along with $900 worth of Notion templates to help you get started fast. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.